Welcome to the OneCNC 10 release announcement. OneCNC 10 delivers a major leap forward in both CAD and CAM functionality, offering enhanced performance, expanded capabilities, and a refined user experience. This version reflects our ongoing commitment to developing cutting-edge machining technology that is logical, user-friendly, and safe. Built around the real needs of manufacturing professionals, OneCNC 10 introduces new tools, smarter automation, and streamlined workflows that save time and improve results across the board. Let's take a closer look. Starting with CAM, OneCNC 10 brings significant advancements in 5-axis machining. The new 5-axis suite introduces a wide range of finishing and semi-finishing strategies, featuring barrel and ball tool types to deliver smoother surfaces, reduce cycle times, and more accurate parts. At the heart of this is the new Sculpt toolpath suite. These toolpaths are calculated directly on the model surface, maintaining tight tolerances and using optimized NC point distribution. With support for multiple barrel tool shapes, this system enables precision machining at speeds never before possible, cutting cycle times by up to 90%. You'll also find major improvements to tool orientation control. With intuitive axis guidance by point, line, or surface normal, you have better control for even the most complex geometries. Collision detection is now toggleable, letting you work faster while still maintaining safety. Edge extension allows the tool to machine beyond part boundaries, eliminating burrs and enhancing finish quality. Moving on to CAD, OneCNC 10 introduces a range of enhancements designed for speed and clarity. A new anti-aliased drawing engine ensures crisp, professional presentation of dimensions, lines, and annotations. GD&T capabilities are now fully implemented, with intelligent labeling and multi-line formatting, making it easier than ever to communicate precise tolerances. Navigation has also improved with the addition of a 3D view cube, allowing you to instantly switch between front, side, and isometric views. Smart dimensioning saves time by automatically recognizing the geometry type and applying the appropriate dimension. And drawing output has been updated to support complex formatting and symbols, including full GD&T. For modeling, OneCNC 10 brings flexible extrude enhancements, improved filleting for tight or complex edges, and an overhauled thread modeling system supporting internal and external threads from the built-in library. There are also powerful upgrades across the CAM toolset. A new chamfering function supports custom angles and tapered tools. Corner rounding has been improved for consistent edge finishing. Hole drilling now supports interactive depth selection directly from the model, and the Hole Wizard offers better recognition and faster setup. In lathe environments, threading has been completely rebuilt. Threads are now simulated visually, giving users full control and clarity during programming. Together, these updates make OneCNC 10 a powerful toolset for today's advanced manufacturing environments, delivering reliability, precision, and ease of use. To see what OneCNC 10 can do for your shop, contact your local OneCNC representative for a demonstration.